Hello everyone, and welcome aboard for another voyage of discovery here on Discovering Britain. I'm Gordon, and I'm the man behind the lens and the research for everything you see on this channel. My usual disclaimer applies here: research done by my best efforts. However, if any mistakes have crept through, just put a friendly comment below so we can all learn together. Thanks very much. Today, we're continuing our journey along the tidal River Nene. We pick up at Port Sutton Bridge, where we finished last time, after watching the Allura being discharged. As we go upriver, you'll see below us the turning basin. It's low tide, and you can just see how badly silted up it is with mud and silt. It really has a losing battle against this. And then we now see below us the marina, where smaller craft are moored. Obviously some leisure boats, but also the pilot vessels are kept here, along with fisheries protection boats. As we move further up, we'll then look across over Sutton Bridge itself, which is a small town in South Lincolnshire. You'll see Cross Keys Bridge in front of us, and then we're going to fly over that and go on upriver, and we'll see some more interesting sights as we go. As we fly upstream, we'll see the huge power station on our left. It's an 819 megawatt gas-fired power station, built in 1999 by Enron at a cost of £337 million. It was then trading under the name of Sutton Bridge Power. Now we turn around to look at the power station from the other side, and we see the huge 49.9 megawatt solar farm that's adjacent to it. On our right here, you can see the South Holland drain as it enters into the River Nene. That is one of the most important drains that brings water across from the fens and keeps them dry. Now, as we continue upstream, we see the North Level main drain, where it enters the Nene through Foul Anchor sluice, another very important drain that keeps many thousands of acres of land drained. Now we're looking upstream, and as you can see, the river bends round on its way up through to Wisbeach. There's a couple of lines of pylons going across, carrying all this electricity that we've been talking about, and in a little while we'll be making our way in towards the port of Wisbeach. Now, as we are approaching Wisbeach with the port in front, unfortunately the weather's deteriorated somewhat, but you can see a ship moored alongside. She's the Baltic Merchant. We now see her being discharged of a cargo of timber. Scenes reminiscent of Port Sutton Bridge. We see the stevedores on deck slinging the loads for the crane, and then the busy forklifts moving it off into storage. The Baltic Merchant wasn't turned in the basin with it when it was loaded, but it will be turned after discharge. The vital statistics of this ship: its gross tonnage is 2,280 tonnes. Its dead weight is 3,110 tonnes, has a length overall of 82 metres and a breadth or beam of 12 metres. It was built in 1997 in Onega shipyard in Russia. She would have also had cargo on the deck as well, which has already been discharged. You can see in the wider shots the port is well stocked with timber. The Port of Wisbeach plays an important role in products such as importing products such as timber and lacquer, which is lightweight expanded clay aggregate, which the Merrick brought in recently. As ever, this is a well choreographed operation. It requires both skill, planning, and of course, hard work. You can see that everybody has a part to play as a team member. It's nice to see. As we get closer using the zoom lens on the drone, so I'm not flying at all close to anybody on the ground or over them, you can get a better view of the timber and how it's all in place in that hold. There's not really any spare space at all. That concludes our initial 2 episodes of the tidal River Nene as we come up into Wisbeach. I will be continuing this at some point, and hopefully we'll get a closer look at the town itself. Thanks for watching. See you soon.